Alright, now wiggle your stick side to side. That works the forward and back, pull it forward and back will work on. Okay. The other side over here, push it forward, your machine will go forward. Pull it back, go backwards. You want to go that way, you pull the stick that side, go this side, that way.
Alright.
It looked like a pro about 30 minutes.
Yeah, he got it.
Yeah, good.
Oh my goodness.
You know how to work your grapple, right? Your grapple works on your thumb. Yeah. On this side. No, this side. There you go. That works your grapple.
Okay, and then how about these two buttons right here? How about these two buttons right here?
That works like if you got an auger on and other attachments.
Oh, okay, I got you.
Okay. My dad is doing his thing, y'all. Thank God for fathers. Thank God for fathers. Especially my dad. Look at my dad, y'all. Look at my dad. Whew. He basically dropped off the bucket. I don't know if we're gonna use that, but they brought it just in case. Now what we're doing is going to size up that pile right there, because that pile needs to go all the way over there so that we can do a burn. So I don't know how he's gonna get down there, but that's what he's trying to do right now, size it up. See, look how big this pile is that needs to be taken. This is an up close video of it. They just pushed it down there to the side, and during the land clearing process and the tree process, and so we have to basically rent a skidder to get some of this stuff up. And my dad, he's good with machinery. Like, he had a Dixie chopper in his landscaping business down in South Florida. So this is going to be pretty easy for him. We're just getting started and the hose just came out and my dad is stuck inside. So this is not even 3 minutes. He just came down this way and basically the hose came out. And he can't get out of the machine. So they said that they're coming back. What a mess. And then if he turns it on, all the gas just starts gushing out. So I don't know. So right now we're waiting on the guy to come back. He's coming back around. Y'all pray for this. We've only had this for 10 minutes and we already hit a snag. We had called the people and they said they'll be back. They had just left. They said they were turning back around. Now the guy just sent me a message asking me if I could take a picture of the thing that popped out. And I did. This is the part up there that popped out. So we're just waiting on some assistance because the instructions inside of here that says what to do to pop the window out hasn't helped my dad to pop the window out. So this is where we're at right now. So hopefully they'll be here pretty soon because it's kind of hot. You okay, Dad?
Hell no. Hey, you better call them damn people to come and get me out of this damn thing. I'm locked up in here. I don't know whether or not the thing will catch on fire or what. You know what I'm saying? And it's hot. You know what I'm saying? Call them people.
We only had this machine for 10 minutes, y'all.
I don't want to take a chance with it again. I don't want to take a chance with it again.
So that means instead of paying $800, we have to go ahead and pay $3,000 then.
Yeah, I think that then that way the operator, and plus the fact that if somebody steals the equipment, we have to pay for it, you know?
That's true.
So that's another headache, you know what I'm saying? So how much we paid already?
We paid $800
$800. That means that we got to pay $2,200. You know what I'm saying?
for labor. And then have him come out here and do it.
And do the whole thing.
Mm-hmm. That's what you think we should do at this point?
I think that's what we should do. But this is a headache. Because if that line messed up, I'm thinking about something else might be messed up. Then I had a hard of a time.
And then you had a hard time getting out.
Yeah, man. It felt
Gosh,
like I was in a damn
a
lock.
sauna.
In a locked cage, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I don't want to jeopardize myself with this shit.
Okay. I think you're right. We'll go ahead and call another company and get them to do it.
How about my man that
Yeah, I'm getting ready to call him.
when can he do it?